Today I'm going to talk to you guys about this AC wall unit from GE. So a quick backstory, this was bought about 18 months ago, and that was because the building's main AC was broken. We couldn't get it working and it was taking a while to get it up and running, so we bought this instead. So today I'm just going to show you guys how you can install it. When you install it, I guarantee you're going to do a much better job than I did, because you can see here's the window. We opened it up, put this in there so the butt is sticking out back there, as you can see, and then we taped it right here on these. You can see we taped it here, we taped it on the top, then we cut the blinds over here because it was just going over, it didn't make any sense. And yeah, and then put cardboard right there. So this is how it's been. This window never opens, never closes anymore, but it comes with, here we go, the way you would install it. I mean, unless you want to do this, then go for it, but the way we installed it is it came with these little whatever you call these little screws and fasteners right there, and we kind of just drilled the hole. Actually, did we drill a hole? It was a really long time ago when we got this. I don't remember if it comes with holes or if we had to make a hole, but regardless, I mean, you can make a hole if there's no holes for you to put in. And you kind of would just stick this to the, I guess in your situation it might be the wall, because ideally you could just put this on. Ideally we could just put this right there, but we didn't. We just put it on the window, and we did one of these little inventions. But yeah, so anyways, to turn it on, you just move it over to high. This is kind of like what it sounds like. It doesn't really bother too much. And to clean it, you will pull it out right here. There you go. That would be the air filter. You clean it out and then you stick it back in. And now this thing, actually, we keep it on again every day. I think for the first probably 2 weeks we kept it on every day. It's still working just fine. Again, 18 months, still going strong. It's still cool, as you can see, works just fine. And obviously, as you can tell, this is really old, so we've had it for quite a long time. And yeah, so I would recommend this for your house. Also, it doesn't really raise the AC bill, the electric bill, as much as like a standard fan would. So there you can do low fan, you can do low fan, low cool. This is basically just like a regular fan, and then this would be more like AC. And also, this on its own was enough to basically, as you can see right there, it was enough to get this little room nice and cool every day, non-stop. So take that for whatever you guys will.